Blanket property lists are large lists of property and homeowner records created using little to no demographic targeting. You can create your blanket list in the Property Data module, found under the Build a List box or in the left-hand menu of our services. First, choose the geographic area in which you want to look for property records. For example, to target your county, click the County section, input your state, select your counties, and bring them to the right-hand box. This is a good time to save your list in case you need to come back to it later. Click Continue in the bottom right corner or click the Demography tab to proceed. Next, choose the type of phone number you want to receive with each property record, landline, cell phone, or whichever is available. Check the DNC Scrub box to exclude numbers on the Do Not Call list. If you don't want to narrow down your search with the demographic filters below, then you are done. Just click the Continue button and then Run Count. Otherwise, select a few demographic options such as homeowners over 50 years old or single-family homes. Just remember, the more filters you select, the smaller your list will become. The number of records in your list is right here. Remember to toggle the number of records if you want a smaller list. You can add money to your balance by clicking the Add Credits button here. Now you're ready to purchase and download your blanket list.